Hello everyone, this is Joseph. Today, I'm going to share with you question 16 from MATH PSLE 2020 paper 2. This is the question. Now, in a figure number 1, PQRS is a rectangular piece of paper. After 6 identical triangles are cut out from the paper, the remaining paper is shown in figure 2. The area of the remaining paper is 279 square cm. Alright, so we have this information and it's for figure 2, this. Alright, after 6 identical triangles are cut out. Now, A is asking us to find the area of one such triangle that was cut out. Okay, so after annotation, we can begin. First and foremost, to find out what is the area of the cut out triangles, we have to find the area of the rectangle PQRS. Okay, so area of rectangle PQRS is simply length 25 cm times breadth 15 cm. So length times breadth gives us 375 square cm. Okay, so perimeter of figure 1 is found. Right? Now, after 6 triangles were cut out, the area became 279 square cm. So simply saying, to find out the total area of the 6 identical triangles being cut out, we just take (375) subtract 279, right? Okay, so we just need to take 375 square cm, which is figure number 1, minus away 279, and that will give us all the 6 identical triangles, the total area of the 6 identical triangles. Okay, so using our calculator, 375 minus 279 should give us 96. Okay, so and 96 square cm is the area of 6 triangle. To find the area of one such triangle, we simply take 96 divided by 6. That is 16. So A is done. Question A is completed. Alright? Okay, I'm going to do question B now. Now, question B is involving perimeter. Now, the perimeter of figure 2 is longer than the perimeter of figure 1. So let's find out what is the perimeter of figure 1 first. Now, perimeter of figure 1 means perimeter of PQRS is simply saying I take length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, meaning 2L plus 2B. So I do a shortcut, I just multiply by 2 and I got 80. So 80 cm is the perimeter of figure 1, which is PQRS. Now, the perimeter of figure 2 is actually more. So more means we have to add 54 cm more. So you add 54 to it, we get 134 cm. So figure 2 perimeter is 134 cm. Okay, now we all know that to find what is the perimeter of one such triangle. Okay, so I'm going to remove all this. To find the perimeter of one such triangle means just to find one of this, one red triangle here. What we need to do is to take the perimeter of figure 2, 134, minus away the two straight line here. That means minus away PQ and SR. Because we are not interested in the straight line, we are interested in the jagged line. And the jagged line forms the 6 identical triangles which are cut out. Okay, so let us minus away PQ, minus away the line SR. Okay, all right, so to find the perimeter of the 6 triangles, we just take 134 cm minus away PQ and SR. PQ is 25 cm and SR is also 25 cm. So 25 plus 25 is our 50 cm. So we take this one, add this one to give us 50. So 134 cm minus 50 cm gives us 84 cm. Okay, now to find out what is the perimeter of one such triangle, we just take 84 divided by 6. Now when 84 is being divided by 6, we obtained 14 cm. Now 14 cm is not the answer yet. Why is that so? Okay, this is the reason. 14 cm is merely here. This part is the jagged. We need to find this line, the purple line. Okay, meaning we have found like that. So we need to add one more line to close the cutout triangle. So what is this purple line here? This purple line is actually simply saying it's actually coming from the breadth. Okay, now how many of such purple line can we find? Okay, let's take a look. 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 such purple line, and 3 such purple line comes from the 15 cm. So what we do is we take 15 divided by 3, that gives us 5. Okay, so it means that this is 5 cm, this is 5 cm, this is 5 cm. Okay, to find a complete one triangle being cut out, the perimeter of one triangle that is cut out, we just take 14 cm, add that 5 cm. That gives us 19 cm. So 19 cm is the answer for part B. Everyone, question 16 is solved. Alright, so to recap, to review, to go through the questions again, feel free to watch my video again. Alright, just play back. We have completed question 16, and my next video that I'll be sharing with you will be on question 17, the last question of PSLE 2020 paper 2. To be notified when my question 17 will be posted, will be shared on YouTube, remember to subscribe and get notified. Now, if you understand today's sharing, you find it very clear, very useful to you, give me a thumbs up, a like, and do share with your friends. Alright, thank you for watching. Thank you for your strong support. This is Joseph signing off. Goodbye. Please take care.